All right, check this out. Metabo HPT sent me this right angle drill. Let's try it out. All right, so we have the plastic chuck. You can thread in the handle on either side, so if you're righty or lefty. The black part right here, that is like a rubbery component, like a grip, so you can grip it. It's pretty good. And then the green part is more of a plastic composite, which is nice. You can use the 36 volt batteries, but you can also use the 18 volt batteries, which is nice. So you're looking at about 3.5 inches right there. That's pretty good. Just tighten down the chuck. So that's nice if you want to get into some small areas. Let's try it out. Works well. Nothing crazy. It works exactly how you would want it to work. There's the reverse right there, left, forward, right. And it's got a variable trigger, so you can control the speed with the trigger, how much you push down on the trigger. So I find this pretty nice when you're putting the drill bit in, you go to tighten this up, you can snug that up and the drill's not spinning. It just snugs it down and it's good. So that's nice. There we go, it works good. I like it. Thanks, Metabo HPT. If you're interested in a drill like this and you need to get into tight spaces, definitely check this thing out. There'll be links in the description.